Learners, today I'll teach you 10 confusing word pairs with easy examples. Number 1. Go through. Meaning, to experience or examine something carefully. Example 1. She went through a difficult time. Example 2. Let's go through the report together. Number 2. Get through. Meaning, to finish successfully or contact someone. Example 1. I got through the exam. Example 2. I couldn't get through to him. Number 3. Come through. Meaning, to recover or do what was promised. Example 1. She came through operation safely. Example 2. He came through with the money. Number 4. Pull through. Meaning, to recover from a serious illness or problem. Example 1. The patient pulled through. Number 5. Breakthrough. Meaning, to overcome a barrier or make a major discovery. Example, scientists broke through in their research. Number 6. See through. Meaning, to recognize the truth or to continue until something is finished. Example, I can see through his lies. Example 2. I'll see this project through. Number 7. Follow through. Meaning, to complete what you started. Example, always follow through on your promises. Number 8. Read through. Meaning, to read something completely. Example, read through the document before signing it. Number 9. Think through. Meaning, to think about something carefully. Example, think through your decision. Thank you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more such content. Thank you.